Hello everyone, this is Stream Beauty Factor here, back with another video, guys. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. Hey, it's filming time. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. I am feeling good. Feeling good. Guys, I just want to jump on here. I just did this little, it's kind of like a, it's not natural, but it's you know, kind of simple look that I came up with this morning that I just felt like doing. I already did the bold look, so I just want to tone it down a little bit for y'all guys, and you know, just come on with a little video. I don't know what I'm gonna title this thing, but I just want to come on here and just say hi. I love you, and my new subscribers, welcome to the Extreme Beauty Factor family. And guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And guys, please go to my cosmetic line. I'll put the link in the bio. And guys, I'm gonna show you some new products that I put up. I know a lot of y'all don't have my Facebook or my Instagram, but I'm gonna start incorporating it into my videos, so y'all guys can go over there and see when I put up some new products. But I'm gonna still share it in my videos just to let y'all guys know what's going on. And first of all, well, guys, I want to give a shout out to DeAndrea. I think it's DeAndrea. I want to make sure I'm saying her name right. She was the first one to purchase something from my cosmetic line. I want to tell her a personal thank you. And y'all, I'm gonna put her on YouTube in the link, and y'all go support her. Y'all, she's very good. And she's very transparent, you know, whatever, but she does some bomb makeup. So y'all go check her out. Just for me, please. So guys, on from that, I just want to jump on here and show y'all some new products that I have put up on my website. This one right here is called, ain't it beautiful? It's called Bomb Pop, and it has like a, I think most of these, one of these is not, but most of these are bubblegum flavored, and one of them is not. Okay, this has got bubblegum flavor. Oh my god, y'all, I'm gonna try on one of them for y'all. This is called Bomb Pop. This one right here is called Blue Skies. Oh. This one right here is called Bubblicious. Let me make sure I got it right. Yeah, Bubblicious. This one right here is called Birthday Cake. My sister's daughter, my niece, wanted birthday cake, so she gave me this idea, so I made a birthday cake special for her. Hey Sierra. So there you go, this is birthday cake. And this right here is called Pure and Natural. It's a chapstick. Y'all know wintertime coming. Y'all know we're gonna need some chapstick. Of course, I'm gonna have different colors, different flavors. This is just a plain one, Pure and Natural, y'all, that I did. So I just want to come on here and share that with y'all, and I'm gonna try on one. Which one do I want to try? Let's try birthday cake. Let's try birthday cake. Let's try it, y'all. Here you go. See y'all? Oh my god. And it smells just like cake. See, you see the color coming out of it, but it's not a color, see? Now, I'm gonna make some with color though, but right now, there's the gloss. Get into it. Ooh, bougie. Alright guys, I'm not gonna keep this intro long. Y'all enjoy the video, and y'all got some new ideas for some videos for me. Please put it in the comment section below, and I will see y'all what? In another video. And guys, guess what? When there's an event, I got some content. Love you guys. Mwah.
It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm late. Girl, where you going? You forever late to something. Just mind your business. Just mind your business, okay? And ain't. Nah, but for real though, where you going? I have an appointment to get my makeup done. Oh, word? By who? Extreme Beauty Factor? Duh. Who is that? Is she any good? Girl, what? You ain't know? Well, let me tell you. Wait, hold up. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. For more, for more, for more. She slay them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event. When there's an event, she got content. Yeah, she will make it worthwhile. She will make sure you looking fly with that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more.
Jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.